Welcome to day 1 of Trading Spartans Challenge. Today, I'm going to introduce to you the concept of online CFD trading. CFD is the abbreviation of Contract for Difference. In simple terms, it means it allows you to trade the price or the value of an asset. In our context here, an asset could be currency like Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc. It could be stocks like our Facebook, Google, Amazon. And it could be our indices, which is the Dow Jones, Nasdaq, FTSE 100, etc. Another example, it could be also Forex, oil as a commodity, or the precious metal bullion, gold, silver. So what asset can you trade? Actually will depends on the broker that you chose to trade with. Now I'm going to share with you CFD trading has two advantages. The first advantage, what you are trading with is actually the price of an asset, meaning to say you do not need to own it. Example, typically when you trade cryptocurrency, when you buy Bitcoin, you need to store it in a wallet, or you buy a physical gold bar, you need to store it in a safe deposit or somewhere at home, or you buy currency, you need to keep it in your bank account or as physical cash at home. You need to store it. But in CFD trading, you are not owning the asset. You are just basically trading the price of it. You do not need a storage for it. So that is the first advantage. Of course, I will share with you in later lessons how by trading the prices of an asset, you can be making profits. Now I go on to second advantage of CFD trading. Since you do not need to own the asset, meaning to say you can actually sell it without you owning it. Typically, when you talk about trading, most of us will need to own something before we can sell it, meaning to say you need to buy it first, then you sell it. But in CFD trading, because you don't need to own an asset, you can sell it first and buy it later. So this is a wonderful concept because it will allow you to take advantage when prices fall. We know the concept how we make profit, buy low, sell high. It applies across the board, even for CFD. But now you have the additional option of selling first at a high price. If you think the price is going to fall, as the price fall, you can actually buy later to make the profit. Which is, in fact, you look at it, it is still buy low, sell high. It's just in a different order. So this gives you another added advantage. So in CFD trading, they are all traded in pairs. So in the next lesson, I'm going to share with you asset pairs, base asset, and counter asset. See you in the next lesson.